Popsicles, icicles, baseball and fancy clothes. These are a few of the things he loves. Knee-highs and brown eyes and wind blowing through his hair. These are a part of the boy I love. If you put them all together, much to your surprise, you'll find a bit of heaven right before your eyes. Bright stars and guitars and drive-ins on Friday night. These are a few of the things we love. Silly, but still he is just what I dream about. Yes, he's the boy that I love. If you put them all together, much to your surprise, you'll find a bit of heaven right before your eyes. Bright stars and guitars and drive-ins on Friday night. These are a few of the things we love. Silly, but still he is just what I dream about. Yes, he's the boy that I love. Popsicles, icicles, popsicles, icicles.